come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosalind from Rosalind Journey Through Crafting, and today I bring to you a tabletop balloon arch. It's finished. And as you can see, you can see the poles here and here and over here. So what we're going to do is we're gonna fill those in. And how we're gonna fill them in, I'm gonna take these 5-inch balloons, I put two of them together, and what I do is I just tie it on to another 5-inch balloon. And what we're going to do now is we're going to wrap them around the balloon just to fill in some of these empty spaces. And I'm also going to use these flowers. I like using these. I use these in a lot of my videos because it brings out your balloons. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see this empty space right here? So what you can do is just stick a flower right in there, but not a flower, but a leaf. Tuck it behind the balloon. You see how that filled that space in? Which is cool. Because nobody wants to walk up and see a bunch of spaces. See. If the space is too big, that's going to take my 260. And this right here is going to bring this out completely when I finish it, you guys can see. So if you're going to start working with balloons, definitely get you some of these guys. This balloon garland will last, arch will last. This one will last about a month, 2 months. If it's in a nice, cool, dry place, and you don't overfill your balloons. If you overfill your balloons, they're definitely gonna pop and they're not gonna last long. Yeah, so just don't overfill them and you'll be good. It'll last you for a month. I'm just gonna put this up. This one here I did a little earlier. I put black balloons inside the yellow balloon. Just to see what color I would get. And a lot of times you're going to have to play around with it. Yeah. So there you have it. My tabletop balloon arch, ladies. What do you guys think of it? Oh, and yeah guys, so there you have it. Isn't she gorgeous?